The upper part of the trees and shrubs, comprising the branches and the leaves, is known as the crown. The crowns of the tall trees form the roof of a forest. The roof acts as a canopy that shields the forest from sunlight. The forest floor is hot and humid. It contains leaves, branches, insects, algae and microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, etc. that are invisible to the naked eye. Microorganisms decompose organic matter into a dark-colored substance called humus. Humus provides nutrients to plants and makes soil fertile. A forest has a layered appearance and it has trees of different heights. While the uppermost layer is known as the overstory, the lower layers formed by shrubs, herbs and mosses constitute the understory.